Noemie Goudal is a French artist who, on the one hand, is deeply vested in nature, but in telling her story, she uses modern technologies to create these incredibly intricate videos. This collaboration with Frieze and Breguet.
We'll be presenting Post Atlantica, which unravels an artistic dialogue with perspectives of deep time.
Seoul is such a unique place. It combines these elements of tradition, history, culture, but then there's also this incredible technology and this forefrontedness. I really wanted to introduce an artist to respond to this energy.
It draws parallels with Breguet's historical emphasis on innovation.
The way that each different part of the watchmaking process has its own level of expertise, articulating a core relationship between man and nature.